We begin with the great name of Allah, the most gracious and the most merciful. These questions and answers are derived from the Quran and Hadith. You can share your thoughts by commenting and letting us know. So, let's get started. Question 1. What was the first revelation of the Quran? Questions 2. Where was the first revelation revealed? Questions 3. In which language was the Quran revealed? Questions 4. How many parts does the Quran have? Questions 5. How many surahs are in the Quran? Question 6. Which is the longest surah in the Quran? Questions 7. Which is the shortest surah in the Quran? Questions 8. Which was the first complete surah revealed? Questions 9. What is the last revealed verse of the Quran? Questions 10. Over how many years was the Quran revealed? Questions 11. What was the first Makki surah? Questions 12. What was the first Madani surah? Questions 13. Who was the first man to accept Islam after the revelation? Questions 14. Who was the first woman to accept Islam after the revelation? Questions 15. How many words are in the Quran? Questions 16. Which is the longest verse in the Quran? Questions 17. Who memorized the Quran first? Questions 18. How many ruku sections are in the Quran? Questions 19. Which verse is repeated the most in the Quran? Questions 20. How many miracles occurred during the Quran's revelation? Questions 21. Which was the last complete surah revealed? Questions 22. What is the name of the night when the Quran began to be revealed? Questions 23. When was the Quran first compiled in book form? Questions 24. Is the Quran arranged in chronological or thematic order? Questions 25. In which month did the Quran's revelation begin? Questions 26. Why is the Quran called Al-Kitab? Questions 27. What is another famous name of the Quran? Questions 28. Who brought the revelation of the Quran? Questions 29. Who promised to preserve the Quran? Questions 30. What is the purpose of the Quran's revelation? Questions 31. Why is the Quran called Shifa, healing? Questions 32. Which prophet is mentioned most frequently in the Quran? Questions 33. What are the primary topics covered in the Quran? Questions 34. What is the central message of the Quran? Questions 35. How many accounts of disbelieving nations are mentioned in the Quran? Questions 36. Which surah is called the heart of the Quran? Questions 37. How many prostrations of recitation, sajda tilawah, are in the Quran? Questions 38. What is the virtue of reciting the Quran during Ramadan? Questions 39. What is the most important feature of the Quran? Questions 40. How can the Quran be implemented in life? Viewers, this was our video for today. So, turn on the light bulb of your mind and get started. The answers to these questions will be shared with you in the next video. Until then, share your answers to these questions in the comment box below. Subscribe to the video and press the bell icon so that you stay updated with notifications for upcoming videos.